Hi, I'm Dan O'Day. What have you always wanted? You don't have to narrow it down to just one thing. Just take a few seconds to list some of the things that you've always wanted. Go ahead, I'll wait. A couple more seconds. Done? All right, let's listen to this radio commercial.
It's just what you've always wanted. Albertsons Wish Big, Win Big holiday giveaway.
So, was that on your list of things you've always wanted? How many listeners do you suppose will remain listening after hearing that opening line? I'm Dan O'Day.
DanO'Day.com.
Digital
alignment parts.
synchronize.